shares. So let's move on to Applovin, which has also soared over the past month, up more than 60% since mid-April. Why does this one jump out to you?
This is such an interesting story to watch year to date. We actually have it. It's one of our top weights again. We've been supporters of it for 2 years. But this year specifically was so interesting to watch because there were a couple of short reports. Some of them were anonymous, and we believe that there was an incentive for the short report to make a short seller gain. But then after that, the short interest has now dropped by 20%. Now, this is a fascinating company in terms of how it's growing. The revenue growth is very, very strong. It's 42% compared to 17% for the rest of the category. And their EBIT margin is 7 times its peers. The most important statistic, that's the net income growth, that's now 220% compared to 90% for the rest of the category. So it's very rarely do we see a company grow like this one.
Yep, Paul Meeks was pounding the table on it as well, which is amazing for a 47 PE. Anyway, Robinhood is the final one here, and that was our mystery chart before the break. A lot of people guessed CoreWeave, but it's actually Hood, so good job to IWC. The stock has been an outperformer of 74% year to date, and you think, even though we're trading near all-time highs, it's still time to own it?
Yes, and especially because of the acquisition. Last week, they acquired WonderFi, and this is the Canadian crypto play. And I think this will not only help them expand to the Canadian market, but also diversify the crypto offerings. And this is a good play, especially with this administration, which is very much benefiting crypto. But we also like it from a fundamental point of view. The revenues doubled in the last 2 years, and they actually went from losing $500 million to now making $1.3 billion, which we like. We like when a company turns the corner. And also the revenue growth is 60%, and their earnings growth is even higher, 65%. So the net income margin is 4 times its peers. It's a great company on a fundamental basis, but we also believe in it because of the crypto play. And we believe in this administration, this is going to be a good long-term hold.
All right. In a more constructive mood today, or at least on these names, Ava, thanks so much. We appreciate it. Ava Ados.
Of course, you